Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shivam Batra and today we will continue exercise 12.1 class 10 maths. So we were doing exercise 12.2. We completed up to question number 7. So now we will start question number 8 here. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field of side 15 meter by means of a 5 meter long rope. A horse is tied here. Let us suppose this is the point where the horse can maximum go if the rope is straight. So let us say this is 5 meter rope and this is the point where horse can move maximum. So we can see that the horse can move in this way. If the horse is tied, he can't go beyond this area. Clear? The length is given 5 meter, the side of square is given 15 meter, and we know that all the angles of the square are of 90 degree, so this angle will be 90 here. In first part, we have to find the area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. So we can see that this will be the area in which the horse can graze, because beyond this area the horse cannot move. So we have to find the area of this part, and we can see that this forms a sector here with radius 5 and angle 90 degree. So first part is radius is 5 meter, theta is 90, so area for grazing. So this will be equals to pi r square theta divided by 360. So the value of pi is given here 3.14. So we will put the values here. This will be 3.14 into 5 into 5. Theta is 90 divided by 360. This will be 1 by 4. And the answer on simplifying will be 19.625 meter square. So this is the area in which the horse can graze if the length of the rope is 5 meter. In the second part, it is asked that we have to tell the increase in the grazing area if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. In this part, the rope is of length 5 meter. If the length of the rope is increased up to 10 meter, so the total here, this will be 10 meter. So now the horse can graze up to this area. So we have to tell the increase in the area. So what we will do, we will find the new area with radius 10 meter and we will subtract both the areas. So in the second part, now radius is equal to 10 meter, theta is equal to 90, theta will remain same. So area for grazing. So this will be 3.14 into 10 into 10. Theta is 90 divided by 360. So this will be 314 by 4. So on simplifying, the answer will be equal to 78.5 meters square. Now we have to tell the increase in the area. So increase in area. So we will subtract both the areas here. So 78.5 minus 19.625. So this will be equals to 58.875 meter square. So this is question number 8. Now question number 9. A brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 millimeter. So here the diameter is equal to 35 millimeter. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown in figure. So this is the figure. Here along these 5 diameters you can see that there are total 5 diameters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So along these 5 diameters and the boundary of the circle, silver wiring is done here. So we have to tell the total length of the silver wire required. So here there are total 5 diameters on which the silver wiring is to be done, and along the boundary of the circle, that means the circumference of the circle. So here we have to tell the total length of the wire required. So wire will be used for 5 diameters and the circumference, so we will add the length of the 5 diameters and the circumference of the circle. So in the first part, total wire required, this will be equals to 5 into diameter, because there are total 5 diameters, plus circumference of circle. So now we will put the values here. 5 into 35 plus pi is not given, so we can take 22 by 7 into 2 pi r, that means 2 into 22 by 7 into 35. So this will be 175 millimeter. This will be 220. So the final answer will be equals to this will be 35 by 2 because this is the diameter. So this will be equals to 175 plus 110, that means 1285 millimeter. So this is the total length of the wire required to make this. Now in the second part, it is given that there are total 10 sectors here. Because of these 5 diameters, the whole circle is divided into 10 sectors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And all these sectors are equal. We have to find the area of the each sector here. So to find the area of the sector, we need the angle and the radius. To find radius, diameter is given. We have to find the angle. So since the whole circle is divided into 10 equal parts, so area, first of all find radius. Radius will be 35 by 2 millimeter. So angle of each sector, the complete angle is 360 and the complete angle is divided into 10 parts. So angle for each sector will be equals to 36 degree. Now we will find the area of the sector. So area of sector will be equals to pi r square theta divided by 360. We have to put the values here. Pi is 22 by 7, r is 35 by 2, theta is 36 divided by 360. So now we have to simplify. So the final answer will be equals to 385 by 4 millimeter square. So this is the final answer. This was question number 9. Now question number 10. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 cm, find the area between two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. This is umbrella. So we can see that it is divided by the ribs here, that means the wires of the umbrella, and each part is a sector here. So the whole umbrella, assuming if we open the umbrella, this will be seen as a circle from upward having the 8 total sectors here. So we have to find the area of each the sector. All the sectors are equal, so angle will be same for each sector. So radius is given. Radius is 45 centimeter. So angle for each sector. There are total 8 sectors here. So to find the angle, we will divide 360 by 8. This will be equals to 45 degree. So now we will find area for each sector. area of each sector, this will be equals to pi r square theta divided by 360. So pi is not given, so we can take 22 by 7. Radius is 45, theta is 45 divided by 360. So this will be 8 here. So we need to simplify our answer now. So the answer will be equals to 2275 divided by 28 centimeter square. So this will be the area for each sector of umbrella. Question number 11 now. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 cm sweeping through an angle of 115 degrees. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. So this is the wiper of the car. Initial position is this, and the length is given. Length is equals to 25 cm. So we know that the wiper of the car will move in this direction, in this way. So this will form a sector here, and the angle is given. The angle is 115 degrees. So this is the total area which is swiped by the wiper of the car, making an angle of 115 degrees. There is another wiper. In the same way, the angle is 115 degrees and length is 25 centimeter. So both the areas are equal here, so we can find area of one sector and we can multiply it by 2 later on. So now we have to find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blade. So the radius of this sector, will be equal to length of wiper. So radius will be equals to 25. This is 25 centimeter. Clear? And the theta angle, this will be equals to 115 degree. So area cleaned by both wipers will be equal to 2 times area of sector formed, because radius is same, the angle is same though, so the area will also be equal to same, so we can multiply it by 2. So this will be 2 times pi r square theta divided by 360. Put the values of pi r theta, we will find our answer. So 2 into 22 by 7, 25 into 25, theta is 115 divided by 360. So we need to simplify our answer now. So the answer will be equals to 158125 divided by 126 centimeter square. So this is the total area cleaned by both the wipers. This was question number 11. Question number 12. To warn ships for underwater rocks, a lighthouse spreads the red colored light over a sector of angle 80 degree to a distance of 16.5 km. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. So there is a lighthouse here, and from this point a light is emitted here, and it forms an angle of 80 degree. There is a sea here, and to warn ships it sends a light in this way up to the range 16.5 kilometers, and the angle is 80 degree in this way. So we can clearly see that this forms a sector here. So we have to find the area up to which the ships can be warned. Clear? So we need to find the area of the sector. So radius of sector will be 16.5 kilometer. theta will be equals to 80 degree. So area of sector, this equals to pi r square theta divided by 360. Pi is 3.14, r is 16.5, theta is 80 divided by 360. So we need to solve now. So the answer will be equals to 189.97 kilometer square. Because the radius was in kilometers, so the area will be in kilometer square. So this was question number 12. Question number 13. A round table cover has 6 equal designs are shown in the figure. This is the figure for the round table design cover. If the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter, find the cost of making the designs at the rate of 0.35 per centimeter square. The design are here in which the part is shaded here. Radius of the circle is given, that is 28 centimeter, r is 28 centimeter, and we can see that there are total 6 parts here and each part forms a minor segment. If we join here, this is the radius, this is the radius. So each shaded part, that means the design part is in the form of a minor segment. So we need to find the total area of the design. So we can find the area of one minor segment, so we can later on multiply it by 6. So we will first find the area of minor segment. For finding the area of minor segment, we need radius and the angle. Radius is given and there are total 6 equal parts. So we can find the angle also, this theta. So angle for each sector, this will be equals to 360 by 6, that means 60 degree. So this will be the angle. Now we can easily find the area of the minor segment. So area of minor segment, what is the formula? Area of sector minus the area of triangle, pi r square theta divided by 360 minus half r square sin theta. So putting the values here, pi is given, pi is not given, 3.14, so we can use 22 by 7. So 22 by 7, radius is 28, theta is 60 minus half 28 into 28 sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So we need to simplify it now. So this will be 410.66 minus 332.2. Putting the value root 3 is equal to 1.73, which is given in the question. So the answer will be equals to 77.46 centimeter square. So this is the area of the one minor segment. So the area of the total design will be area of total design. We need to multiply it by 6 because there are total 6 minor segments. So this will be equals to 464.76. And now at last we need to find the cost for design. It is given rupees 0.35 rupees per centimeter square. So total cost will be equals to 0.35 into 464.76. So this will be equals to rupees 162.66. This is the final answer. Now question number 14, the last question of the exercise. This is MCQ. Area of sector of angle P. Now the angle is given in the form of P, that means theta is equal to P here with radius R. Radius is equals to capital R. So we have to find the area of the sector according to the given options. So area of sector, this is equals to pi r square theta. Now theta is P divided by 360. But options, according to options, if we can see, if we multiply this by 2 and divide it by 2, numerator and denominator, this will be 2 pi r square or capital R square P by 720. So if we compare the options, this is the option D, P by 720 into 2 pi r square. So answer is D option. So this was exercise 12.2. I hope it is clear to everyone. In the next video we will do exercise 12.3. Till then, like, subscribe and share. Thank you.